as he opens his eyes. Don't zoom in. That makes it more pixelated.
It's hard to say, so I can't tell. It's really dark.
Okay, I could lighten
I
it.
don't think we can see Gracie's eyes because the light behind you. I'm gonna get
All right, let me move over here. Let me move.
No, stay still. Gracie's not opening her eyes. I don't want her to open the eyes and snap because she's scared yet.
Right, exactly. Move it away from her, please. It's way too far from him.
I'm gonna just leave it like that, it's fine.
Yeah.
Gracie's sleeping on Daddy. It's the night before the hurricane. Gracie came home for comfort from her family. We love you, Gracie.
Day after
So happy.
surgery.
I cried for days thinking what would happen to Gracie in the hurricane. And Gracie chose us. We thought for sure Gracie would be out with her family and her flock, or his flock, but Gracie chose us. Daddy, she chose to sleep with you. I love you, Gracie.